How to check if an iPhone camera is original. To get started, open the Settings app from the home screen. In Settings, tap on General. On the General page, tap on About. The About screen shows device information so you know you are in the correct place. Scroll down to the Parts and Service History section. If no Parts and Service History section appears on this page, there is no recorded service for supported components, which usually means the camera is original. Look for camera listed in this section. If the camera is original, it will show genuine Apple part next to camera. If the camera was replaced with a non-genuine or unknown component, it will show unknown part or a similar notice. Read the message to confirm the status of the camera hardware. Following these steps, you can easily check if an iPhone camera is original. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.